Hi, and welcome back to Expert Tech Reviews. We're excited to discuss the best VPN for Fire Sticks. If you're a fan of Amazon's Fire Stick, you know just how easy it is to plug the stick into your HDMI port and turn your television into, essentially, a smart TV. You'll be able to connect to Wi-Fi, stream virtually anything from Amazon to Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, Major League Sports, and nearly any streaming service that has an app. There's even a built-in browser that you can use to navigate the web. But it's not that intuitive. Before we discuss two VPNs that can easily be set up on the Fire Stick, we ask that you subscribe to our channel below. Fire Stick is really easy to use, and if the VPN you're using has an app that's compatible with the platform, it's really easy to get started and set up with a VPN. You'll want to navigate to Search, type in your VPN provider's name, and search for their app. Install the app, launch it, and sign in. Once you're signed in, you'll be able to connect to different servers and begin using your VPN immediately. You can also set up the VPN to run off your router if your router is compatible. When you choose the router option, you won't be able to use an app to easily switch servers, but you also won't need to remember to launch your app every time you want to stream content from a different region. What VPN do we recommend? We actually recommend two, ExpressVPN or Surfshark. You can try each of them out for yourself and see which one you like. Check out the links in the video description below to access huge discounts. Both are really great options and you'll love the speeds they offer. ExpressVPN is designed to just work. Setup is as simple as can be, and with an app for Fire Stick, you'll be set up using a VPN in just minutes. One of the strong points of ExpressVPN, and there are a lot of them, is that they have access to over 3,000 servers spread across 160 locations in 94 countries. That's massive. The VPN is known for two main things: speed and unblocking. Geo-blocking is a major concern when streaming because Netflix and the like keep putting up new barriers that you'll need to overcome to stream content. Somehow, ExpressVPN always seems to be one step ahead. Highly optimized servers are ideal for streaming even in HD, and we didn't have any issues using the UK or US servers to access Netflix. You may have to try different servers in different regions of a country if you do come across geo-blocks that can't be easily overcome. Typically, the farther away the VPN is located from you, the slower the speeds will get even on Express, which is known for their high-end server optimization. For streaming, Express stands out from the competition for one simple reason: you can overcome a lot of restrictions. You'll also get access to a bunch of high-end security features, including AES 256-bit encryption, IP leak protection, security protocols, kill switch, and so much more. If you've tried Express and weren't impressed or simply want to have some more options, I mean, who doesn't, right? Surfshark should also be on your list of VPN choices. Surfshark helps you to leave no footprints behind. The VPN gives you access to 3,200 servers in 65 countries, including Australia, Canada, Germany, Israel, Russia, Spain, United Kingdom, and the United States. Apps are available for all leading operating systems and, of course, Fire TV. You can connect unlimited devices at once, so if you have multiple Fire Sticks like I do, you can use your VPN across all of them. Surfshark maintains a strict no-log policy, offers DNS leak protection, multi-hop technology to really hide your tracks, and a no-borders mode. There's also a kill switch to cut off all traffic if the VPN connection drops, ensuring that your data and identity are never exposed. You'll be able to hide your IP, access different content libraries on streaming sites, and do it all behind AES 256 encryption. There's also multiple secure protocols to choose from. Stable connections and high-speed servers allow you to unblock Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, Hulu, and even BBC iPlayer. You can also favorite servers to remember which ones worked best for you when streaming. Speeds are fairly consistent, but you will notice the typical speed loss when connecting to servers on the other side of the world. Overall, Surfshark makes it easy to connect to your Fire Stick. They have plenty of servers and a rich selection of features which will help keep your data private. Thank you for watching. If you liked our video of the best VPN for Fire Stick, please like, share, or comment on our video. Again, don't forget to check out our special YouTube influencer links below for discounts. Happy streaming!